Hello Cancerians, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. So today we are going to talk about tarot card predictions for the month of June 2020. Let's see what tarot cards are holding for you this month. So here comes the first card. It's the Tower, and it says that you are going to experience some changes. The changes can be conflicting again, but mostly if you start accepting these changes, they are going to turn out in your favor. In the sense the changes will be in the sense which you may not require in the long run. The changes, the things that don't hold strong foundation, the relationships, so your emotions, your attitude, your behavior, your habits, or your work. So those things which are not based on the proper foundation, on a strong foundation, will uh, go through kind of change. To have now this time to lay down a better foundation, a strong foundation that can take you to a long way. Okay, so that is what the first card suggests here. Then comes the second card. The second card says, the three of swords says that you may not be willing to accept these changes, and that is what is going to affect you. That is what is going to emotionally hurt you also. So Cancerians, I understand Cancerians are by nature sensitive, by nature emotional also. But this is a time that the cards are suggesting you to be strong, to be courageous, to be brave, and accept these changes, because these changes are going to be in your favor in a long run. May not be possible, may not understand it in no in immediately. What is happening, I have lost this thing, I have to give up this habit, and all these things, these changes we may not be able to willing to accept immediately. But once we start understanding it, once we start accepting it, then you will find these changes are meant for our long-term success, our long-term good, right? Because the third card again, you see Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords again talks about change, it talks about bravery, but at the same time it also says that you are holding a lot in within you. No, you may not be able to easily accept the changes. If moreover, if the changes are related to emotional instability, right? If they are related to your relationships, because Cancerians by nature are more emotional people. So if these kind of things are there, then you may not behave to the mark, you may not behave matured enough. Right, so this card is suggesting you to hold on, to accept things again, and you have to be brave enough. At the same time, the card also says that watch on your words, watch on what you're talking about, how you are expressing your thinkings, how you are expressing yourself before others. So there may be a conflict arising because of what, because of lack of what I'm seeing is, yeah, lack of agreement. So there may be a conflict because of lack of agreement, you may not be able to approach people properly. So try to understand all these things. This is the time which is asking you to change, or which is that this is the time which is bringing change in your life. So the more easily you are going to accept it, the more smoother will be the change in this month, June 2020. All right, Cancerians. So let's see what the energies are talking about you, suggesting you this month. Oh wow, we have a wonderful card here for the energies, which is for the which is Archangel Shamiel, and he is the ruler of our third chakra, which where we need to have a gut feeling. Shamil suggests us this moment to have a gut feeling, to have a control on our emotions also. Don't just simply get carried away with emotions and take some decisions based on those things which are actually baseless. So Samuel is asking you to hold on your feelings and give a second thought on it. Okay, be strong enough, at the same time be strong enough to accept the changes. Also carry that gut feeling which is, which Samuel is giving you this moment. I, Maybe Samuel, it's already the universe is understanding that you have to go through these changes, and so therefore this card Samuel today, this month, which is again guiding you, which is again protecting you, with the required energy that is needed, which is the required energy needed for this change. All right, and again we have a very nice message from the universe. Wow. I So here is the message, dear Cancerians. I always trust the direction of the universe and know I am being guided. So this message strongly says that hold on your trust, hold on your trust in your universe, in the God, and know that you are being guided. Understand that what is guiding you, what sort of changes are guiding you here. So just simply accept and move on. Everything else will be fine, nothing to worry much about it. The more easily you accept it, the more smoother this space will go. Okay, so I wish you good luck, dear Cancerians, for the month of June 2020, and we will catch up next month again. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice time.